Today we're checking out these LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500 with the factory halogen taillights. If you want to give the back of your truck a darker and more custom look while also making it easier to see at night, this is a really strong way to do it. These are going to give the Sierra a blacked out look and a much more modern setup than those stock halogen bulbs, so let's check them out. These taillights are all about improving rear visibility and cleaning up the look of the truck at the same time. The super bright LED output is going to make your Sierra easier to see out there on the road, which is exactly why somebody would want this if they do a lot of nighttime driving or you just want a safer and more noticeable lighting setup with a nice custom vibe. The black smoked lenses are a huge part of the features also because they give the truck that darker and more aggressive appearance that works really well with black wheels, darker trim, or a more custom overall build, and especially if you're going for a full blackout theme. These are going to be sold as a pair, so you're getting that matched rear end refresh instead of just patching one side at a time. If you have a broken or cracked tail light, you can replace that one broken light, but then sometimes it'll look a little bit off, looking uneven because it's much shinier and newer than the other side. So these are sold as a pair, so you're getting a full matched rear end refresh instead of patching one side together at a time and hoping it looks right. Another great feature is the fact that these are a direct fit install and they're going to use those factory mounting points. So you're not going to have to do any wiring or any complicated install, which makes them a very approachable lighting upgrade for somebody who wants a fast visual payoff. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting impact resistant black smoked lenses and durable housings that are designed to act as a barrier against the weather and the road elements. That's exactly what you want on a truck light because it has to hold up to the daily use and those rough conditions, as well as changing weather while still keeping that darker custom look over time. These being weather sealed houses with premium lenses, they're not going to fade and get hazy over time, and they're not going to get that condensation fog on the inside like those stockers tend to do. Now, as far as pricing goes on these are coming in right around the mid $400 price range. That definitely puts these above a basic budget replacement taillight, but it's still not breaking the bank. This price is gonna make sense because you're getting a full pair of LED taillights with a darker smoked out look, brighter output, and a much more custom rear end transformation than just a stock replacement. And $400, a mid $400 range is really a great price, and it's gonna be comparable to dealership prices for maybe just one taillight, so it's a really strong deal. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have these installed in just 1 hour of your time or even less if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our American Trucks customers.
These are basically all you need. This is a 15 millimeter right here, the wrench, and then the pick. You get any pick, any size pretty much. So these are the stock ones right here. We're gonna take it out. So you gotta take this screw. Just leave it right here. And then the bottom screw right here. And you just use your hands if you need to. Just leave them together so you don't forget. And you're pretty much done with this tool right here. So now you just grab from the top and from the bottom, and you just a little bit play with it. Just go slow, make sure you don't scratch your car or anything. You got 1 and 2. Just slowly pull it out. So pretty much you gotta get this out of here, and then this one out of there, and then you got right here and right here. So that's how you gotta take it out like that. And you got the halogen lights right here, but first I'm going to disconnect this one right here. So this red right here, you pull back. So right here, now it's open. So now when this is open, it is unlocked. Now you press down on the black part. So once you press on the black right here in the middle, you could pull it out easier. So push and pull. Right here, lefty, loosey. I don't think it's loosey. So twist left and you unlock it and you just pull it right out. Pull left, pull it all out. So stock ones right here, halogen lights. Make sure you get the right one. So now you just put this on the side, and right here you gotta disconnect the whole old harness. So what you could do to make it a little bit easier, you could use your hook instrument. Push this black tab down and then just pull. So right now, so this is the old harness, right? Now you had to go under the truck, right underneath where the tire is at, and then you just unplug everything. I'll show you which things you gotta unplug. So you see that light coming out from where the harness is coming from? Just follow through. This is the harness right here. Follow through, follow through. So as the same as the other clips, you just look for the red tab, you pull back to unlock it, and then you hold it, and then you pull it out. So you pull the red to unlock it, it's unlocked. Now you push on the black and you pull at the same time. So it might be a little hard. So you gotta get this part off of the plug. So you push and pull, and it'll look like this. This is where you will plug it in, the new harness. So once you're done with unplugging everything from the stock harness, you're gonna have to take it out of the taillight. So with the old stock harness, they come with clips attached to the truck. They're probably like 2, and there's one right here where my finger is at. You just undo them. So once you undo them, you're able to freely take this out of the truck. So right there, you just open it, and that's where the old harness is attached. So now you could just run it through, and there is one on the other side right here. Just run it through. So right here is the other one. So now this is open and it's free. So now, once you have released the 2 clips underneath the truck, you're able to freely take off the old harness. The old harness is with the bulbs. Right here. So now, for the new taillight, again, for the halogen, you're gonna want to plug this one, the blue, to this connection right here. And then the bottom is the one that is underneath the truck, the one we just took out and took all the clips off. See? Make sure you don't cut the wires. Here, just the rubber band, take off. So again, this black one right here is for this one underneath, the black one. Blue is for the top. So now you unscrew these, you can just pull them out, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is first drop the bottom one through the hole. So I just ran the black cable underneath the truck. I still haven't connected it, but I'm going to connect the blue one first. So this tab, it is unlocked, it is pulled down. So I'm going to insert it. You're gonna hear a click. Then you're gonna wanna push with the pick the red tab, just push it so it is locked in place. So when it's locked, it's not gonna go nowhere. It's secured. So make sure the wires have clearance inside the taillight so it doesn't get clipped by anything. So now everything is connected. The top part is connected. I still need to connect the bottom part. So make sure you line this up right here and the top part with this one. And again, you have these two that go right here. So now you just line everything up. So it's slowly going in. And I'm going to lock the bottom part. You can hear it click, and then now the top part. Maybe not a click, but it is locked in place. Boom. So now, just to lock everything in place, you'll see that it's even. When it's in there properly, you will see the screws, where to put the screws in. So now I'm just gonna put one in. And put the other one in. Now I'm gonna lock it in place with the 15mm. Make sure it's nice and snug. Make sure they're both snug. Boom. So when it's flush, it means it's good. So now when you have it secured, it can't move no more. So now we have the top part connected already. Now we go below the truck to get it connected. So now the bottom cable, it is ran through the tailgate light where we just installed it. Now you could just run it through. Right here. And again, you're gonna want to plug this into insertion. So just pull it through. Now you can just plug and play. And you'll hear a little click. And once you plug it in, you hear it click. And we took this off, so we're gonna put this one back.
Then once you have it connected, you go back to the two clips up here. Put it through. You're gonna hear a little clip. It's in place. Now, now, I like it. Once the cable is inside the clip it. You're gonna hear a little clip, and it's secure.
That wraps up our review and install of the LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s with those factory halogen taillights. And for all things Sierra, keep it right here at American Trucks.